Glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Sarika Mana, but please call me Mana. And what is your name?
Well, my name is Tanisha, but you please call me Tanisha because it's my nickname.
Oh, you have a very beautiful name.
And thank you. So, which class do you read in?
Well, I read in class 6 of Ideal School and College. And what about you?
Well, I read in class 8 and I'm also read in Ideal School and College. So, what's your favorite subject and why?
Well, my favorite subject is English because I can easily speak and plus I watch a lot of English movies, English cartoons, English books and etc. And what is your favorite subject?
Okay, my favorite subject is science and English.
Why?
Because English is an international language and I can speak English good and science, I love science. Why I don't know, but I love science.
What is your favorite subject?
Yes. Well, do you have any hobby?
Well, I do have a hobby. My hobby is running. I always run in my home because not only does it keeps me fit, but it also how I spend my leisure time. What is your hobby? Do you have any hobby?
Yes, I have many hobbies like traveling, gardening, drawing, but drawing is my most favorite hobby.
Among them?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Murshidul Maula. And what is your father's name?
Well, my father's name is Johirul Islam. What's your father do?
My father is a banker. He works in International Pakistani Bank. What does your father do?
Well, my father is an engineer. And what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nur Nahar Lima. And she is a housewife. What is your mother's name and what does she do?
Well, my mother's name is Rakila Yasmin and she's also a housewife.
Do you have an aim in life?
Yes, my aim in life to become a scientist. And your?
My aim in life is to be a doctor because I want to treat everyone so they can be healthy and safe.
Wow, your hobbies, your aim in life is very good. Who is your favorite person and why?
Well, I have a best friend. Her name is Sarina Manhazunaira.
Sorry, I asked you the
She's
question.
also my favorite person.
Well,
but if you want to be more specifically personal, my favorite person is my mother because she's always there for me. She cares about me. She feeds me, and without her, I wouldn't be in this world. She understands me, and she's a very close person. What about you?
Well, my favorite person is my mother because she's a very hardworking person and very careful person. He cares me. He cares my all family. She cares me all my all family. That's why she is my favorite person.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother. And your?
I don't have any siblings. What is your younger brother's name and how old is he?
My younger brother's name is Sanjay Nislam and he is 10 years old.
Which school class does he read in? Which grade?
Well, he reads in class 4 in Intelligence School and College. Where are you from?
I am from Jalagati from Borisha, but currently I live in Dhaka. What about you?
Well, my hometown is Norail, but at present I live at Banasree in Dhaka.
What do you like about your hometown?
Well, my hometown's all things, but I like most SM Sultan's house.
SM Sultan's house?
Yes.
Do you visit your grandparents' house?
Yes, yearly 2 or 3 times I visit my grandparents' house.
That's really sweet.
Okay, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow because it's the symbol of happiness. What is your favorite color?
Well, my most favorite color is black, but I like pink and purple also. So, what's your dream country?
Dream country?
Yes.
Well, in my dream country is that if someday I want to visit Saudi Arabia to do Umrah.
MashaAllah. So, are you fasting today?
Yes, I am fasting today. And are you fasting today as well?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm fasting today.
Have you break any fast?
Yes, I'm a little bit sick. That's why I break 2 fast.
Oh, I see. I also have break 2 fasts as well. Well, now that you're talking about Ramadan, have you finished your Ramadan shopping like clothes?
Yes, I finished my clothes shopping, but I have some shopping too. And you?
Oh, I'm actually going to do today in somewhere. Do you have many more questions for me?
Yes. So, who is your favorite teacher and why?
My favorite teacher. Actually, my favorite teacher will be my English sir, visual sir, because he is very funny and he teaches us very good grammars in a very fun and very awesome way. And I like his teachings, although he can be sometimes very strict and can beat us as well. I mean, sometimes if we don't do homework. Do you have any favorite teacher?
Well, I have a favorite teacher, and his name is Eliash Sir. He is my English teacher.
What do you like about him?
I like he is very fluent in English, and he is very
Curious.
he's very close to us. That's why I like him.
That's very good.